Welcome to part 3 of the full no bullshit YouTube ads course. And this time we're going to talk about how to build a great product. Create a product for your ads and not ads for your product. The success of your ads is directly correlated with your product. We've already talked about that. The thing that's going to determine if running ads will be easy or hard for you is how good your product is. And this video is going to teach you a few things on how to determine if your product is good right now or how to build a great product. And in general, we want to build a product that makes running ads easy. So either you have to build this product or you can adapt or iterate your current product to be such a great product. And such products always have certain advantages or unique aspects. They are not basic products because not every product is great. So we have to have a unique product, one that's different than the rest. And great products have most of the time these advantages or these unique aspects. Either they are solving a new problem, that's pretty self-explanatory. If you're solving a new problem, that's awesome. That will make running ads so easy because they've never seen a solution to this problem. You're the only solution to this problem. This will make running ads super easy because if they want to solve this problem, they can only choose you. If you have a new traffic source for your product, that's also an advantage. If you're the only one running YouTube ads for your product, that's a huge advantage. This will make running YouTube ads way easier for you if you are the only one with this exact product, because the customers on YouTube haven't been bombarded with ads for this product. They aren't numb to it already. They haven't developed like banner blindness, if you want to call it like this. So they're completely fresh to this message. If you have a better business structure, that's nice as well. If you have competitors, okay, not so nice. But if your funnel, your business, your numbers, your KPIs just perform way better, that's a huge advantage. So even if you get competitors for your product, your business just has way better numbers. The percentages are just way better. All the wheels just turn like a Swiss clockwork. If you have this advantage, this will make running ads for you way easier than for, let's example, your competitors, if their numbers are just worse. If you have a new market for a product, that's also a huge advantage for running YouTube ads, because this new market hasn't seen so many advertisements for this product, because most other advertisers advertise this product in a normal market, and you create a new market, your own market for this product, so you have no competition. Huge advantage. A new solution to a problem. If the current solution to a problem is not that great and you have a way better solution to this problem, that's also a huge advantage for running YouTube ads. Because if all other advertisers in your market on YouTube are talking about this bad solution and you're talking about a way better solution, of course the people are going to click on your ads and not on their ads. So if your product has a new solution to a current problem, huge advantage. And a new strategy to acquire a market. If you have a way better strategy at marketing, if you have a way better angle, if your message is way better, if you have a way better strategy at getting the people to convert than your competitors, that's also a huge advantage for you. So think about these things when you're developing, creating, or iterating your product for ads. And always make sure your product is in a hot and upcoming market. The worst thing you can do is build a product or advertise in a market that's on a downfall or that's basically not hot. Nobody cares about the market. Running ads for a product in such a market is going to be super hard. So we always, if possible, want to choose a hot market. And let's get some examples. What's a hot market? Definitely AI. Right now, AI is a hot market and it's just growing. It's growing. And day for day, this market is getting bigger and more products are being purchased in the AI market. What's a market that's cold? What's not such a hot market that's on a decline? Maybe let's take SEO. Back in the days, a few years ago, SEO was super hot, but currently, nobody really cares about SEO. Of course, SEO still works, but it's not hot, it's not sexy, it's not a trending topic. And basically, SEO is on the downfall. So you don't really want to create a product around SEO right now because cold market, not really growing. If you had to choose, you should always pick, in this case, SEO or AI. You should always pick AI simply because it's way hotter market. There is the trend and it's trending upwards. This would make running ads way easier. Running ads for AI products is way easier than running ads for SEO products right now. And always make sure your product solves a hyper-specific problem or gives the person a hyper-specific gain. You have to be specific. You can't be vague. Okay? If I sold your product for $10,000 and I said, buy this product for $10,000 and I will improve your business a little bit. Would you buy it? Probably not. Because improve your business a little bit is so vague. It's not specific at all. I have no idea what's going to happen. How much are you going to improve my business? What aspects of my business are going to be improved? How long will it take? I have no idea. This is not worth $10,000 for me. But if I came to you and said, I have a product, another product, it's also $10,000, and I will double the conversion rate of your front end funnel in 30 days. Double the conversion rate of the front end funnel in 30 days. That's a hyper-specific gain, hyper-specific solution for a specific problem, having a bad funnel. And this also costs 10 grand. Would I buy it? Probably yes, because I can do the math in my head. Okay, if I double the conversion rate, it's going to make me way more than $10,000. So paying $10,000 to make way more than $10,000, that makes logical sense. Yes, I'm going to buy it. So basically, if you want to make running YouTube ads easier for you, build a problem that solves a hyper-specific problem or gives the person, the customer, a hyper-specific gain. It will just make running ads easier than trying to sell a super vague and non-specific product with ads. And we've been talking a lot about building the product, like building or iterating a really great product. And some of you may be thinking, okay, that sounds great. I get it. I have to build a great product, but I'm not an expert myself. How am I supposed to build a great product that helps people? Don't worry. If you are not an expert yourself, you can also partner with an expert that builds the product for you. Usually people go for either a 70-30 split or a 50-50 split. It depends on how much work each party is doing. But basically, you would partner up with an expert that would just focus on building the product and maybe updating and managing the product a little bit. And you would be doing the marketing, the selling, the advertising, and so on. So either you could find somebody on the internet that's an expert and do a 70-30 split where you, the advertiser, get 70% and the person that's only building the product is getting 30%, or do a 50-50 split. And this way you can get a product out, a really great product out, even if you're not an expert, simply by getting an expert on board. So the more of these advantages we've just talked about your product has, the easier the ads will be. So don't think about what do I currently have that I could sell with ads. Instead, think how could I build the best possible product, the best possible funnel, and the best possible business in general to work with ads. So don't take a random product out of your bag, let's say, and then advertise it. Build the product with the ads in mind, or improve the product with the ads in mind. You have to genetically modify your product to work with ads. And then running ads will be super easy. And now I have a little checklist for you to determine if your current product is great or if the idea of a product you have right now is great. So think about it. Is the market that product is in either wide open or super hot? Like, is the market where your product is in super hot, super active? Is it trending? If yes, that's great. Do I have a unique opportunity or a new mechanism? Is it new what I'm selling? Or are all the customers already used to hearing marketing messages about this product? It has to be new. Am I the first one to advertise this on YouTube? If you're the first one, that's a huge advantage. Is there no one advertising it with a hyper-optimized high-ticket funnel? This would be bad because people that have a hyper-optimized high-ticket funnel, they are serious about it. They have put some time and effort in that thing. So competing with such a person, I wouldn't do it. So if there's no one with a hyper-optimized high-ticket funnel in your market, in your niche, also selling a similar product, that's great. And can I sell my product high-ticket? If yes, that's great. And the more of these points your product or your idea of the product has, the better. So ideally, your product idea or your finished product, I'm not sure how far you've already gotten with your product, but ideally, it checks all these boxes. And if it only checks 3 boxes, that's still great, because most products of most other people don't check any of these boxes. So you would have an advantage.